Today, we are going to learn simple past tense or past indefinite tense. Simple past tense or past indefinite tense. The simple past tense is a verb form used to refer to an action or series of action that we were completed in the past. Structure. First of all, subject, then second form of verb, then object. Helping verb did, form of verb second. Affirmative sentence or simple sentence. Subject, then second form of verb, then object. Negative sentence. Subject, then did not, then first form of verb, then object. Interrogative sentence. Did, then subject, then first form of verb, then object. Examples. Positive sentences. I ate an apple. He flew a kite. He saw her yesterday. She left that job. She told me a lie. He plucked the flower. I read the newspaper. She came here for money. Negative sentences. I did not know him. He did not eat an apple. He did not paint that wall. Interrogative sentences. Did you sing the song on stage? When did you buy this mobile? Did you finish your work? Did she go to the gym yesterday?